this is Haju. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful hammer for a baby girl. I already made hammers in pink and blue theme. I will leave the tutorial video link in description. Actually, I made this one for a customer. She wants everything to be in a yellow color for her niece's first birthday. Let's see how I made it. Before that, it takes few minutes to subscribe, guys. So make sure that you're subscribed. Without wasting time, let's get into the video. I ordered a few things in Amazon. I will leave the product link in description. First, I ordered alphabet book, shoes, toy, and beautiful dress for a baby girl, clever headband, and also I bought some accessories for baby in local shop. First I bought a pearl chain, plastic bangle, and some clips. I will leave the tutorial video for photo bottle link in description. First I'm taking a basket. I bought this from a bouquet shop and then I'm going to arrange the products one by one. If you guys don't have a time to make this all, no worries guys, we got your back. You can place your order in WhatsApp or DM us in Instagram. And also we have an amazing gifts collection in our Instagram. I will leave the Instagram link in description. Go and check it out guys. Now I'm taking a balloon curling ribbon and I'm going to twist this in a handle. I printed this tag. I will leave the tag image link in description. And I'm going to make a hole using a paper punching machine. Tie this tag using a curling ribbon. I'm going to add some foam flowers. I'm going to use floral wires to tie this in a basket. I'm going to wrap this basket using a bouquet cover. Stick this using a cello tape. I will leave the tutorial video for bow link in description. I'm going to stick the bow using a double-sided tape. Ta-da! Our